Hello guys, this is Speaker Speaks and welcome to my channel, and this will be the first time that I will be doing a voiceover to my video. So today we will be unboxing and reviewing and doing sound tests with the new Tronsmart Trip 2. So this is the latest from Tronsmart, the Trip 2, following the previous trip. And let me tell you, the first trip is not really good speaker. It sounds so bad, so flat. It sounds like a nut from Tronsmart. But we'll see if this Trip 2 has an improvement, and this will be an honest review, an honest opinion from me. So first things first, let's unbox this speaker. So it says here that it has you can connect it with the app. The first one, you can connect it to the application, and it has a true wireless stereo pairing, so you can pair it with another trip if you have one. The original trip, you can't do TWS, and it says here that it has a punchy bass and IPX7 waterproof, so yeah, definitely you can submerge it in the water. So let's see. So I got mine in red because why not, right? So let's unbox it. So first you have your speaker, your warranty card, and some user manuals. So we're not really gonna need this. We're not really going to read that one. And you've got your cord for charging. So this is the USB type A to type C. So let's bring this aside. So this is the speaker itself. So I got mine in red. Look at that. Yep, they're not really lying about the vibrant color. It's really a vibrant red. So if you don't like colorful, so you can of course always go to choose the black one. So this is the color red. So at the top we have the power button, we have the um negative volume, positive volume, we have the play and plus, and we also have the Bluetooth logo there for pairing. So at the right side we have the USB type C for charging and the TFT card. So if you're still willing to use that, and you have the reset button here, there, the little hole, and yes, you get this little lanyard to grab on, and a Tronsmart logo. So that's pretty much it about the speaker. And actually the build quality, yes, it is a totally sorry, big improvement from the previous trip. It is now more robust, and yeah, feels like Tronsmart, feels like a high quality speaker now. So yeah, without further ado, let's turn it on and let's try. So let's connect it to the Tronsmart app. Okay, so let's connect it for the first time. So there, so we'll see. So we're on a sound pulse. So I actually already tested the speaker for 2 days, and let me tell you, it's great. I mean, it's good for the price, and it is a big improvement with the previous Tronsmart Trip 1. But I kind of have a mixed emotions about it. I mean, I don't know. You get to hear it for yourself. I have also tried to EQ it, but really, there's really nothing of an improvement on EQing. So you just gonna have to have the preset one. The samples will be the best preset or the best EQ for this will be the sound pulse. If you try to EQ it, it's really not gonna improve the sound quality. I guess that's just how the driver sound on this thing. So talking of drivers, it has a 45mm at the center, full range woofer, no, full range driver, and you have the two passive radiator. Okay, so let's take a listen. So we are currently at 70%, and let's try.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
So that's it, guys. So actually, as you can hear, it's really a pretty good speaker, a very big improvement from the previous trip. The previous trip lacks on bass, and this thing packs a bass, and this thing really sound good. It really sounds good. It is. So let's compare it to. So let's have a little comparison here with my favorite Soundcore Select for Go, so you can hear the difference here. So keep in mind that the Soundcore Select for Go is EQ'd, so I EQ'd this to my liking. So let's try the same volume at 70%.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. Myself is fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, oh, oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Where we started out. Get me out of now. Where we started out.
So there you go, a little comparison with the Soundcore Select for Go. So what do you think, guys? So for me, yes, definitely this Tronsmart Trip 2 packing's a lot more bass. and the Soundcore Select for Go, on the other hand, packs more highs. But I like the mids. I like the mids more on the Trip 2 compared to the Select for Go. So there you go, guys. So do I recommend the Trip 2 speaker for you guys? I mean, yes, if you really wanted a Tronsmart speaker, if you're really a fan of Tronsmart, then yes, I can recommend this speaker. It sounds so good for its price, for the size of it. It is rated at 10 watts. It sounds good. It just sounds fine, but for the price it's asking, I can recommend the T7, the T7 mini, because at this moment the price is almost the same, and for me it's that T7 mini is better. It's a better option, it's a better pick to this one. But keep in mind that it is a 360 speaker, and this is a fun front firing speaker, so it's gonna be depends on your preference. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe and comment down below. It will help me grow the channel and to review more speakers in the future. So I will be reviewing next video the Tronsmart Bang 2, so stay tuned.